Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take the brief look at the Bitcoin market, because market shows some progression in the direction that we talked about, because while market was creeping lower, it was some really moments exist that make us doubt on the bullish perspective, and we have suggested that market probably is coming to erase the recent, as I call it, Mr. C rally. So because you know that this rally was triggered by the Xi Jinping when he talked about the adopting of the blockchain technology in common life and different spheres of life. So, and that was really very encouraging for traders. And you can see this sudden jump has happened here. When this has happened, we said, wait a moment, let's see how durable this will be, because it's just the words and nothing stands beyond these words. And as we were really saw a lot of this stuff previously, when the politicians have promised something, talked about something, but that was just words. And we said it's not time yet for euphoria, and we need to test this rally, how it will behave, where it will be durable enough, where it will trigger the continuation. So it has to pass some test before we could rely on it. And currently, at least that we see, it seems that it failed this test, and market erasing this rally totally. What does it mean? So the erasing of the rally, it always works as a stronger driving factor compared to what could happen if no rally exists at all. So if market just would continue dropping right here. Erasing of the rally, the reversal, is stronger sign for the market. It makes not only technical impact, but it also makes an impact on the mentality of the traders. And as you will see, the taking out of these lows will trigger significant acceleration to the downside. Here we could suggest different targets. Our market is not at oversold right now, as you can see. 72 FIB support already has been tested here. This market is coming back again to it. And dropping below these lows trigger a lot of stops that have been placed here, first. Second, first target will be, as we said, 63.80 approximately. This is our XOP, the major ABC top pattern on the daily chart. Also, if you'll consider the extension here, you could see that market could form some kind of the butterfly. So if we will see some reaction, some pullback here before the breakout, well, in this case, it could give us the retracement and take a look at that. 127 butterfly agrees approximately with the same level. Here we have 63.78. Butterfly will be 64. 1618 butterfly will be much lower. So it will be already somewhere 53 area. So significant below XOP. But it's too extended right now. We're not interested with that just because it stands below the daily reversal. By using the technical approach to estimating of the target, it will be approximately equal to the rally by itself. So if you'll measure rally, I even exclude this final spike and count it down right from here, you will see that's approximately agrees with the 1618 extension of the butterfly at 48 approximately. So as you can see, perspectives are not really very positive. And currently, in the current circumstances, well, I do not see really reasons to go long on the market right now. Besides, as you can see, while the market will creep down right to the support, it will be approximately the same area as the XOP stands. So currently we need to take a look at the 63.50, 63.80 approximately. That's our next point to watch for. On the 4-hour time frame chart, while in general speaking about the possible pullback here, just recall our ABCD pattern that we discussed previously. Last time, 2 days ago, when market hits the OP and starts dropping lower, we said, well, no reaction, it means market will continue move down. And indeed that has happened. Just yesterday you can see this collapsed. The market mostly has hit the XOP target, which stands right around these lows. So our intraday scenario has been completed perfectly. Now we could watch for our continuation to the daily XOP. If you would like to possess yourself, if you do not have the shorts within this downward action, keep an eye on the possible maybe some bearish continuation pattern. Maybe Gardi's triple to sell will be formed or something of that sort. Some pullback here could happen. Well, that's what we see currently on the Bitcoin market.